So when we've got issues with the base chakra, it means that we've got psychological issues, and it's psychological issues which are connected to our hindbrain. So next question. When the first chakra is completely closed and in reverse, PTSD in this instance, is a lesson here to remember how to trust and connect with self, higher self, and others? Great question. So you could perceive it as if the lesson is how to trust and connect with self and higher self and others. From my point of view, what I see the lesson as is that the lesson is about having meaning and purpose in life. Yeah. So when we've got issues with the base chakra, it means that we've got psychological issues, and it's psychological issues which are connected to our hindbrain. Right? And why that is because we don't have meaning and purpose in life. So our hindbrain is connected to the past, and the hindbrain is all about survival. So when you go back, many, many years ago when people were living in tribal scenarios, everyone like within the tribe would have their role in the tribe. And when they had that role, it gave them meaning and purpose to be a part of that tribe. Yeah. And when they didn't have a role, they didn't feel as they had a purpose and meaning within the tribe, so they started to feel isolated. Yeah. And then when they become isolated, they started having, psychological dysfunctions. Right. So it's all about having purpose and meaning in life and feeling as though you fit into a tribe. Right? And as though you're part of a tribe, you're part of something, part of a movement, something that gives you purpose, that gives you meaning, that you really connect with. Yeah. So what it's showing is that at the moment, you just haven't found your tribe. Yeah? You don't feel like you got the purpose and the meaning with other people, with your tribe, to be having purpose and meaning, to be really, enjoying your life, enjoying what you're doing and what you want to be doing. So, it's all about as well to find this purpose and meaning. We need to be being creative and doing things that give you meaning, have you feel purpose, and have you feel stable. Yeah. So on that question, I want to say that you are meaningful. You do have a purpose. So please take the time to step out of everything you're doing at the moment, step back, and just focus on doing something that you really enjoy, that you really love. Connect back into when you're a little child, a little girl or a little boy, and what you really enjoyed doing then, and step into doing that again. It's drawing, colouring, running, being out in nature, go and do that. Start finding this purpose and meaning again. Yeah. And we're open here, as a unique community. If you feel like we're connected, we're here to be your tribe, to support you, to give you purpose and meaning. Yeah. But the main thing is you need to want to have that within inside yourself. And when we're looking at the base chakra, is really closely associated and connected to your soul. So a lot of the stuff we want to be looking at here is nutritional wise as well, to deal with the psychological dysfunction that's happening, and also, the things that are happening within the mind. So the main thing I'd say for, a closed base chakra in terms of nutrition is start having, natural and organic, fresh, sweet, sour, or salty tasting. Yeah. So when you're looking at sweet, you're looking at kiwi fruits, oranges, things like that. Sour, you're looking at lemons, and salty food, like peanuts and things like that. So look up on, Google whatever natural, sweet, sour, or salty food. Start having those, and only those. And the reason is because it's going to ground you, because at the moment you're not in your base because you're so caught up in this spiritual world, because you don't feel safe in your physical body, because you don't have a tribe that you feel a part of, which means you don't feel like you've got purpose, meaning. Yeah. So the food's going to help bring you in to ground you down, and then that way, you can you can start to open up that base chakra, start to feel more stable within inside yourself, start to feel more stable and connected to this earth, on this earth. Yeah. So that's what, base chakra, that's how I see it. The lesson is about having meaning and purpose. And, go and look for creative things to do. Go and connect back into when you're a little girl or a little boy and what you did then, and start doing those things again. And just find people who are your tribe that you connect with. Yeah. That will allow you and accept you for who you are and give you the ability to step into your purpose and do your meaningful work and be your meaningful self.